So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add black bars in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, all you have to do is locate that video that you want to add the black bars into. So I want this part. Just go to your effects, head down to generators, solid color, drag that solid color over your clip, and right here select your colors. So it's going to be a black one, so we already selected black as default. So all you have to go is inspector. So in generator you can have your color right here, so I want it black. So all we have to do is change its cropping. So you can crop it to the left, crop it to the right, and let's see, there you go. Crop your top, crop your bottom, and there we go, we have a black bar completed. So there you go. Now you can also change its position if you're not really into doing that. So you can change its zoom, position, X is going to be left to right, Y is going to be up and down, and there you go. It's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.